Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly why the photo comment option may be missing on Instagram. So if you can't comment with photos on posts or reels, follow along step by step to find out what's causing the problem. Alright, let's dive in. First, make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. Since photo comments are a relatively new feature, you need to have the latest version of the app to access it. So, head over to the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're on Android, search for Instagram, and check if there's an update available. If Instagram is already updated and you still can't find the photo comment option, there's another thing you need to check. Go back to Instagram and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Now, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to go into Settings. From here, scroll down and then look for Comments. Inside the comment settings, you should find an option called Allow Photo Comments. This setting controls whether people can use photos when commenting on your posts and reels. So, if you're trying to leave a photo comment on someone else's post or reel and you don't see the option, it may not be an issue with your Instagram app at all. The creator who posted that content may have disabled photo comments. If the creator has turned off photo comments, nobody will be able to comment with a photo on that particular post or reel. That also explains why you might have the photo comment option on some posts, but not see it on others. So, if you've already updated Instagram and the feature is still missing, check a few different posts or reels. If photo comments work on some of them but not others, the creator has most likely disabled the feature on their content. And that's it. If this video helped you understand why Instagram photo comments are not showing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and tricks.